This is a simple test to determine if you have a bad stoplight switch in your Subaru Impreza. Using a simple paper clip, as you see here. All right, we're going to go into the car under the dash where you find the switch. The switch is, well, I've taken the switch out, but you can see the two prongs that are attached to it. And now I'm going to insert the paper clip into these two prongs. And I get a little bit of a spark at first, but now it's connected. And hopefully you can see that's connected there. Okay, now we'll go back and look at the stoplights. And yes, they are on. Hard to see in the sunlight, but they are on. So that tells me I have a bad stoplight switch. And it's a simple test, easy way to determine if your switch is bad. Thanks for watching.